Tyson was the greatest ever.
I was gonna rip his heart out. I'm the best ever. I'm the most brutal and vicious and most ruthless champion there's ever been. There's no one can stop me. Lynx is a conqueror. No, I'm Alexander. He's no Alexander. I'm the best ever. There's never been anybody as ruthless. I'm Sonny Liston. I'm Jack Dempsey. There's no one like me. I'm from Nairclaw. There's no one that can match me.
Tell you who the greatest, to be honest, not Elias Tyson. R.I.P. to those deceased, hope in heaven they find in peace. Haza Green won the belt, the youngest to do it at 19. 84 to 88 before the drugs and all the snakes. Leeches plenty fakes before that had all 5 belts on his waist. 34 and 0, 30 knockouts, faces got mashed to pace. Rest in peace Jim Jacobs, custom motto, dedicate this flow. Once he got inside the ring, became clear that he was the king. Back then stood like Alexander, now the division is dead. Triple G, Canelo, smaller guys watching those fights instead.